Santa Magdalena de Nagasaki. She was left on her own resources at the age of 22 when her parents perished in the Great Persecution in Japan. She first entered the Order of Augustinian Recollects as a tertiary. Years later, her Recollect superiors were martyred, and she placed herself under the direction of a Dominican father, Jordan of St. Stephen, and received the habit as a tertiary. At a public hearing presided over by the Mandarin, after her arrest and torture, she stood up and cried out her profession of faith. She was martyred in 1634. She was beatified and canonized together with San Lorenzo Ruiz. Santa Magdalena de Nagasaki,
Ipanalangin mo kami.